Sugi, Oni to Pasaro, Bine Bugim Manazo, Uwe Bere Chacha, Wacharema, Umowa, Ndiobio Pute.
Daddy, can I talk to you?
Sit down.
It's about... Daddy, will my mother remain like that? Why not take her somewhere to look for a solution concerning her condition?
Obianuju, your father is confused. I'm confused right now. Obianuju, I went to that chief priest to plead with him to make your mother alright. But he told me that there was nothing he could do. That your mother's sickness is incurable. I don't just know what to do. I'm confused. I'm not being myself. I can't sleep in the night. I can't eat comfortably. I can't drink straight.
Let's take my mother to a pastor. Look for a powerful man of God. Please, Daddy.
I've done that already. I met this man of God and he told me that I should bring 400,000 naira with other items. Yes! Before he can pray for your mother. What sort of man of God is that? A pure and true man of God doesn't ask for all these things before praying. I don't want him to come here and cure more sickness on your mother. Don't worry. I'm still thinking. I must figure out something.
Psychiatric hospital. Yes! Let's take my mother to a psychiatric hospital. That will work. Daddy, please.
Your mother's case is rather spiritual. You were here the other day and you saw what happened. Just calm down. Something must be done.
You sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
You have done. You threw my husband's food away. Listen, let me tell you, for this singular act of yours, You will not eat in this house for complete 2 weeks. Is something wrong with you? And you stood there and allowed your mother to waste the food that is meant for normal people. Ofia?
Wait, is it my mother you're talking to like that?
Yes.
Are you the one providing the food in this house?
Because I'm not the one providing the food. I shall allow your stupid man mother to waste the food. It's my husband that's providing the food, so she shouldn't waste it. Please, enough. And if I don't stop, what? Have you seen it? I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat you. Look at what she's doing. Anyway, let me let you go. You're obviously frustrated. Very soon, you will become as mad as your mother. Shut up!
Ifeko. Yes, I'm fine. Please, Ifeko, when am I coming to collect my money? No, listen to me, listen to me. This is not how to do business, okay? I've gone through my credit book and, I mean, you're owing me a lot of money. How can you be owing a businessman such money? How do I run this business? The money you're owing me is too much. The money you're owing me is too much. No. This is not how to do business. What? That you're not owing me? You must be joking, Ifeko. Listen, I have everything on record, okay? I'm with my credit book right now, and the money you're owing is too much. How can you tell me you're not owing me? What sort of nonsense is that? Look, alright, see, this one is 30,000 for 25. Alright, you know what? Just wait, let me get my calculator. I need to be sure. I need to be sure of the amount. How do you mean you're not owing me? What sort of nonsense is that? Is that how to do business? Honey, what did you just do? This is my credit book. Oh my God. Why are you messing the whole thing up for me now? These are my documents. How do I know people that are owing me right now? Oh, what? You're even... God, I'm finished. What sort of thing is it?
Daddy, what is it?
Look at what your mother just did. She just messed up the whole thing. My documents, my credit book. So how do I collect my money from people? How do I know how much you're owing me?
Is that why you're shouting? Daddy, you know my mother is sick. How do you expect her to reason like you? Daddy, I don't like it. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm sorry, but look at, she has just messed up my business. What she did is wrong.
Then look for a solution to bring her out of this condition, so she can stop destroying things in this house.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for shouting at your mother. Just clear up this, please.
I brought you food. Suffering me like this. Look at my body. Look at the food I brought for you.
Wamo onye kam ga-akọrọ Iju wamo onye kam ga-akọrọ Chukwu okike si m nwe olileanya ọ sị na ọ ga-adịrị m mma Wamo onye kam ga-akọrọ n'uwe Iju wame obonye kam ga-ekpesara Ma Chukwu okike si m nwe olileanya Olileanya ọ sị na ọ ga-adịrị m mma Eziokwu ama m na ọ ga-adịrị m mma Ebe Chukwu kwuru ya ekwere m kwesi ike Enwere m olileanya na ọ Olileanya ọ sị na ọ ga-adịrị m mma.
Grandma, what is it? Grandma, my mother is sick and she needs medicine.
Your mother is sick. We all know that your mother is sick. And madness is a very big and serious sickness. But when I become a doctor that you are coming to ask me for drugs is what I don't know.
No, that's not what I mean. What I'm trying to say is that my mother has a fever and we need money to buy medicine.
Dr. Obianuju, I don't have any money to give you to buy drugs for a mad woman. Enulia, get out of here.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Before job, oh, there on my cha-cha. Everything you do surely comes back to you. If onye metalo buru, oh yeah, buru ya. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. If onye metalo buru.
Brother, please, I want to buy medicine.
What's wrong with the person?
Fever.
You're an adult or child?
An adult. My mother, she's very sick.
How many doses?
1 dose. Please hurry up now.
Okay, the money is not.
Okay. Thank you.
Make sure she eat before she drinks.
Okay, thank you.
Oh,
'Cause
Chimo, Kobia Gugu Mobi. Oramo Chimo, Kobia Kasimobi. Ananelua, Nena Fufune Munata. Abuna Digima Chuku, Odimu Madobi. Moranum Chime, Kobia. Kobia Gugu Mobi Chukwukeruwa Nena Lini Nemu Nelio Mabuno Digima Chimu Odimu Manobi Watu haribane megunaya Watu haribane megunaya Nebese no kadima Tu haribane megunaya Adire montu Tu haribane megunaya Nebese no kadima Chukwukeruwa Lena fufune munatao Mabuno digima Chukwu Odimuma Akamurumo Lena fufune munata Mabuno digima Chukwu Osowedimuma Watu haribane megunaya Watu haribane megunaya Nebese no kadima Tuari bane mebuna yebu Adire montu Tuari bane mebuna yebu Nemese no gatima
Pastor, I am your mother. Pastor, I am your mother. I am talking to you, Pastor. Come back here, Pastor. Pastor, Pastor, are you working out on me? You're working out on me, eh?
What is it, Mama? What is it?
Pastor, what is wrong with you? I told you to take this mad woman to her father. Take this mad woman to her father, or better still, look for any spiritual church and dump her there. Let them use cane and wipe this madness off her head.
Please, Mama, please. This woman you're referring to as a mad woman is my wife. Stop insulting her. I should take her to her father. What will I tell him happened to the woman he gave me in good health? What?
What kind of stupid question is that? What kind of stupid question is that? Everybody in this village is aware of what happened. She wanted to poison your food and she was caught. She took an oath and became mad. She nearly died yesterday.
Oh, you feel if I take this story to her people, they will clap for me and get me drinks? Mama, you're just a woman. And women think straight. Allow me!
Why are you talking about my mother like that? What has she done to you?
You are asking me. Questionnaire. Jubanu monya jumaju. Papa, why did you pour water on my mother? Sorry, I did not see her. What do you remember you did not see her? Is your mother too small? Of all the corners in this compound, you did not see any other place to pour your water except my mother's body. Will you shut up your mouth? I'm not carrying this compound. Just tell you remember. There's something wrong with you. Won't you thank your God that I poured my precious water on your mad mother? You're here talking. You're very stupid. Auntie Zaba, only God will judge. God will judge. God will judge you. Judge your mama. Judge your papa. Judge your entire generation. Idiot. Nonsense. Nonsense. Idiot. Papa.
What is happening? You have not been to school for weeks now, and I have not seen your mother too.
Ifoma, my family is having a problem.
Problem? What kind of problem?
My mother is sick.
What is happening to her?
Look, what I'm about to tell you, promise me you won't tell anybody.
I promise.
Not even our schoolmates.
I promise.
My mother is... she's mad.
What? Your mother mad? Oh my God. I can't believe this. But your father should have taken her somewhere for treatment.
He has tried. He took her to so many places. Then they said her situation is spiritual. The pastor he met said he should bring 400,000 naira and some other things to perform sacrifice or something. Though he's still looking for more solution. And my stepmom and grandmother are not even helping matters at all.
Hey, yeah, I'm sorry.
Don't forget what I told you. Don't tell anybody.
It's alright. I will not tell anybody.
You're sure?
I promise.
You need to see that mad woman. She's getting terrible and she thinks. But Mama, do you know my happiness? I get so excited when I wake up every morning and realize that her madness is getting worse. It makes me so happy.
She will continue to get worse until her madness gets to the level of Nebuchadnezzar.
That is my prayer. I want her to even die in that madness of hers, so that I can obtain my seat as Pascal's only wife.
As someone, that reminds me. What about Pascal? What is he saying about the whole thing?
That one. He believes that she's innocent. I'm telling you, I thought by now you would have thrown her out of the house and sent her back to her parents' house. I don't know what he's still waiting for.
Whether he threw her out of the house or not, the most important thing is that you have occupied the house as the madam, the wife of the house.
Yes, Mama. You need to see me now in action. When I say a word, it sticks. What I say happens. And that is what I want.
Cheesy baby.
All thanks to you, Mama. All thanks to you. Hey, Mama. Well, it has happened again.
Happened? What has happened?
You know?
Mama, it has entered. Oh, Bago.
Bagam. Oh, Bayego. Take care of yourself. Don't be careless.
Mama, of course I have to be very careful. Not be me again. Extremely careful.
I know you. Let me go and cook this so that you eat. Okay. Let me go and rush home and we'll make it. Hey! Wanyaki Jiwaya, Wamo! Let me join you. Wanyaki Jiwaya, Wamo!
Obianuju, I'm talking to you. Where is the last tuber of yam I kept in the house? Where is it?
Look, I'm preparing it for my mother to eat. She's hungry.
What? Obianuju? Hey! You cooked my yam for a mad woman, Obianuju. Now let me ask you a question. How do you know when a mad woman is hungry? Because obviously she has lost her memory. What kind of rubbish is this? The yam I kept for myself and my husband. You went and cooked for a mad woman.
Auntie, please, it's enough. When you starting
my mother like that? Why? Never know one bad share. Look at this small rat. So Obenuju, you don't have respect anymore. When I talk, you talk back at me. Obenuju. When I talk, you talk back. When I talk, you can't. How dare you? Look at this girl. Okay. Agaracha was come back. You must apologize. You stupid girl.
Daddy.
Leave us. So, Chizoba, you have decided to ruin yourself in this house. Not me. Because henceforth, I will not touch you, let alone waste my energy making love to you. Not anymore.
My son, please. Take it easy. Don't talk like this.
I shouldn't talk like that, Mama. Eh? Why should Chizoba fight Obenuju because she cooked yam for her mother? My wife! The yam I bought with my money. Now she has lost the pregnancy for the third time. What is the need? What is the need making love to her when she will get pregnant and abort it? Yes! Because it's a deliberate act. For the third time!
Chizoba, why are you doing all this? Eh? I am disappointed though. This is not what I expected from you.
I'm very sorry. I can't intentionally want to kill my own baby. It's not a deliberate...
And hey. Today should be the first and the last time you will lay your hands on Obenuju in this house. If you try it, I will not be responsible for whatever happens to you.
Chizoba, you have to change. If you fail to change, I will have no option than to turn against you.
Mama, please now, this is not the right time for you to be telling me this. I just lost my own baby. I'm not in a good mood right now. Please, Mama, you need to beg him for me. Please, you have to forgive me. Please, talk to your son. Please, don't worsen this thing for me. I beg you.
You have lost another pregnancy. You have lost another pregnancy. You are a fool.
Mama.
You are a fool. You lost another pregnancy. Tell me. Now that Pascal said he will not touch you again. Tell me what will be your stand in that family without a child? What's no other?
Mama, I don't understand you. Were you not the one that advised me to always give it hot to anyone who looks for my trouble in that family?
I did!
So why are you now blaming me?
But you are wrong this time.
Yeah.
You are wrong this time. Especially when you know your condition.
Yeah. Mama, please, enough. Enough already. I have heard you. It will not happen again. Seriously, Mama, at this point in my life, I do not want anybody to shout at me. All I need is pets. Pet me if you can.
Let it not happen again. Let me ask you. Now that Pascal said he will not make love to you again, tell me, how are you going to handle it? Usinaka walaba. Kusinono aba.
I laugh. Pascal said he will not make love to me again. Who is Pascal to decide that? Mama, you obviously do not know your daughter. My Ihoma is as sweet as honey. And bet me, Mama, I will make Pascal beg for it. Pascal will come and he will never want to go again. You get me? Who is Pascal? Okukuma. He will ask for it. He will yearn for it. And I will forgive him. Mama, only see he would want to come back over and over again. Oh, Pastor, go on yours. Ukuma, he will beg and you will hear me. Rubbish.
Chizoba and Obianuju. I called both of you here to inform you that I'll be traveling to the city for a business trip tomorrow. And I'll be staying 4 to 5 days. Alright? So I don't want to come back here and hear that anybody's making problems in this house. Do you understand me? Especially you, Chizoba, because I know you like problems.
Why are you talking to me like that now? What have I done?
Will you shut up your mouth? What have you done as if I don't know you? Like I said, I want peace to reign in this house. I don't want to come back and hear that everybody is having issues in this house. Do you understand me? More especially, both of you should take care of my sick wife. Am I clear on that? Obianuju, I'll get you something while coming back. Alright? And when I come back, I will take your mother to that pastor I told you someone directed me to.
Okay.
Do you understand me? So just take care of yourself and your mother, okay?
Okay.
Right.
Can I say something?
The discussion is over. Okay, Niji. Take care of yourself.
Bye. In this house. In this very house. I get one. Obianuju. Ujunwa. Please come.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace.
What is it?
My mother is very sick. I would want you to help her with her farm work. Tomorrow and next, please.
Eh? But you know, I cannot do it. Besides, if I do it, who will look after my mother?
Obianuju, come on. Have you forgotten what your father said before he traveled? Please do it for me. Okay, don't worry. I will take care of your mother. I will.
Are you sure?
Why not? We are family. I will take care of her.
I'll do it. That's if you take care of my mother as you've promised.
I will do it. Obianuju. I will.
So there is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you
Mommy, I'll be away for 2 days. But don't worry. Aunt Chizoba and Grandma will take care of you till I come back.
wrong with you? If any of, I will beat hell out of you. Let it not follow. Oh yeah, move. Let's go.
Mama, yeah, but this thing is very heavy.
Hey, it's very heavy. Opening the one here. Opening the one. Oh yeah, move. Also, sir.
There's no peace in the world for the wicked.
Chizoba. Mama. So you're calling my name like that. I hope there's no problem. Where is Obianuju? I've not seen her since yesterday. I've even searched for her everywhere this night. She's nowhere to be found. Where is she? I sent her on an errand. An errand? To where? When? That was yesterday. I asked her to go and give my mother something. Since yesterday? Who has been feeding her mother? I have. You? You? Okay, you? I said I have. I mean the feeder. I've been feeding her. Oh. On me show. Who has been feeding her mother? As her mother's maid or gini. She'll be feeding a mad woman because of what? Charudu. What is Alana? He can't have a nonsense.
Give me food. Give me food now. I'm hungry. Food! I'm hungry. I'm hungry now.
Does that mean Aunt Chizoba did not give you food? Okay, look, I bought bread for you on my way from the market. Mommy!
Mommy, please wait! Mommy!
What is it? Why are you shouting? When I came back, I saw my mom crying for food. Then I gave her the bread I bought for her. When she was eating, I noticed the wounds the chains caused her. So I decided to unlock the chains. Then she ran away.
Hey! You have killed me. So you released your mad mother from the chain and she ran away. Do you want to put me into trouble? So when your father comes back now, he will accuse me of your mother's escape. What is the meaning of that? Eh? You put me in trouble. Something is wrong with you. Eh? Why did you allow us to escape?
Please let's look for my mother.
Shut up! Will you shut up? You're still talking. Now get up. Come on. In fact, come on, get up. Something is wrong with you. You will remain here today. Since you decided to release your mad mother and she ran away, you will remain here till your father comes back. Then you will tell him what you did.
Auntie, I just wanted to help her.
You're still talking. Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up? Can you imagine? You tell her to talk. What is happening? Eh? Mama, thank God you're back. Mama, can you imagine this stupid girl? She released her mad mother from the chain and she ran away. Can you imagine that? Obianuju, why? Huh?
Mama, when I came back, my mother was crying for food. Then I gave her the bread I bought for her. When she was eating, I noticed the pain the chains caused her. So I decided to unlock it just to relieve her of the pain. Then she ran away.
No. Must you do that? Are you a doctor? Are you? Chizoba, that's enough. That's enough. Who tied your belly? I tied her here. I did. And she will remain here till her father comes back. Rubbish. Wait, come on, untie her. I will not. You want me to? May you get me? Are you mad? Did I just hear you right? Am I mad? You are the one that is raving mad. What kind of nonsense is that? How dare you ask me if I'm mad? Chizoba, you called me a mad woman. You were the first person to call me a mad woman. You are not just a mad woman, you're a very foolish woman. Chinekeme. What Chinekeme? You're very foolish, hopeless, stupid, insensitive. Hey! Umada must hear this. Umada must hear this. Umuna must hear this. Umuna again. Go and tell the whole. Go and tell the whole.
What? Why must your stepmother tie you up here? Is something wrong with her?
I don't know. Just because my father traveled.
What of your grandmother? What did she say about this?
My grandmother wanted to untie these chains. Then she beat her mercilessly. That if you see my grandmother now, she can't even walk again.
Oh my God. So what are you going to do now? Will you stay here till your father comes back?
Yes, I will remain here. I want him to see what that woman he's calling his wife did to his precious daughter. But the only problem now is food. I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay, let me see what I can do.
Hey! What are you doing here? I am asking you!
Auntie, good afternoon.
I did not ask for your greetings. I only said what you're doing here. I do not ever want to see this your two left leg in this compound again. Now get out! Get out, you! Hey, madam. So what you now do is to bring your useless friends to my house without my consent. Up here? I'm sure you must have told her the things I have done and the ones I have not done yet. I'm sure you must have done that. So you now have mouth. And you now have the right. So bring some in my compound. In my compound. Hunger will kill you. Hunger will kill you in this house. It's yours.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Before job, oh, they're on my cha-cha. Everything you do Ifonye metalo buru. Oh yeah, buru yeah. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no bachalanya. Ifonye metalo buru. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace. Cha uwa chorima umuwa ndi mmebu ndi arurana uwewe bele cha uwa chorima umuwa ndi obi okwute onye ọma mmadụ na-egbu ya onye dọpụtalụ na-adọtụ gị onye tụkwasara obi na-egbu gị mma n'azụ uwe ebere chacha ụwa chọrọ ịma ụmụ ụwa ndị obi okwute.
Mama, I don't like this. Allow me to beat this girl. What kind of promise is that? Allow me to teach her a lesson.
You want to keep person?
What sort of promise is this? Why must he be Chisoba every day in this house? Why must he be Chisoba every day? Before I traveled, I warned her that I don't want to come back and hear that she made trouble in this house. Is she mad? Is something wrong with her? So Chisoba is no longer afraid in this house. She had the guts to beat up my mother.
Hey!
To beat you up, Mama.
Nam, also for a careful.
To miss out! I think that was the devil. Chisoba died. Chisoba chained my precious daughter like a common criminal. Hey! What sort of what? Mama, stay out of this. Mama, please, stay out of this. Stay out of this. Hey! Please, sorry to disturb you. Good afternoon. Please, did you see any dark mad woman around here?
I've been seeing one mad woman like that, but she's not dark, she's fair in complexion.
Okay, since when have you been seeing her?
Since 4 months now, yeah. And if you really want to see her, she's at the village square.
I was looking for a dark woman. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Daddy, what are we going to do?
Uzonna's daughter? Chiamaka! Hey! Is she Uzonna aware that she's married? Chiamaka. Chiamaka. Chiamaka.
Pascal, where did you search for her?
Uncle, I did thorough search. I searched for my wife everywhere.
Don't you think she might be wandering about in some of these our neighboring communities?
Uncle, which of the neighboring communities? If you have any idea, tell me. Let me go and search for her.
You people should stop, please. This is not even why I'm here. Pascal, why did you beat my daughter? Mama Baja, why did you beat her?
Agnes, why are you talking like this? We are here talking about Pascal's sick wife that ran away. And we are also looking for a solution to find her.
What solution is more important than Pascal telling me why he beat my daughter the way he did? Let me ask you, is Chiamaka the only mad person on the street? Let her join others.
What? Did you hear what this woman said? That my wife is not the only mad woman in the street? Did you hear what she said?
I'm buying the key. I'm buying the key. You cannot do that. You cannot do anything.
You guys is okay now. Stop talking like that. What's wrong with you? Master. Where's my daughter? My in-law. Please calm down.
Explain what?
Where's my daughter Chiamaka? Uzonna, what are you doing here? Agnes. What are you doing here too?
As you can see, I am in my in-law's house. She's over my daughter. Pascal is the husband.
You mean Pascal is married to Chizoba, my daughter?
You heard me wrong.
As a wife?
Yes.
What's going on here, Mama? What is he talking about?
Why are you back outside?
You're asking me what is happening here. Eh? You're asking me what is happening here. Where is the money I asked for?
Agnes, I have gone around the whole village to see if I can borrow money. Nobody listening to me. Honestly, I am confused.
You are confused, Akwe? Uzonna, let's get this matter straight. For the past 1 week, I've been asking you for 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira, quarter. What is it for? To go to the market, buy something and make myself look good. Not only for me, for you. Nene can't be going now, wearing a street, eh? It's obvious. You call yourself a man, but you cannot take care of me. We only have 2 kids, so say, by that time, we are about 15 years of marriage, and you are telling me story. Akuya, I say case, Ona.
No, Agnes, you can't do this to me. Eh? Don't worry, by the special grace of God, I will get a job.
Till then. Leave my bag for me now.
Don't do this to me.
Leave me alone. Stay with your daddy. Leave me.
Don't do this to me, please.
Yeah, come baby. I say case. Leave my bag for me.
Please don't do this. Will you abandon these children for me? Eh? Please.
Leave me. Stay with your father.
Agnes, please.
I've taken Chizoba as my own share of the children. Please. Stay with your daddy.
Hey. So my sister, that's why I called you.
Wait. You mean Agnes left this little girl for you simply because you did not borrow money to give to her?
Sister, I am confused.
Hey!
If anybody has told me that Agnes, my wife, would do a thing like that, I will have called the person a liar. I don't know what to do.
Child, my brother, take it easy, oh? It's okay. Hey! That is one of the things in we women. But wait, what do you intend to do now?
I want to go to the city to see if I can get something doing for myself. At least I am hardworking. But sister, please, I want you to take care of my daughter, Chiamaka. If I find something doing, I will come back and take her with me to the city. Please.
My brother, it's okay. I've heard what you said. But you know I live with someone. I'll have to talk to my husband. But I promise you, I'll come back tomorrow and take Chiamaka with me. Oh? Chiamaka, how are you? Don't worry. Oh? I'll come and take you. I will stay with you and I will take very good care of you. Okay? Chai.
Thank you, sister.
Pascal! What is actually going on here? This woman was my former wife, the mother of Chizoba and Chiamaka.
Hey!
Same father,
Chiba?
same mother.
Chiba? Chiamaka, it's not. Mama, please, Mama, please, wait. No, excuse me, please. I need to say something.
You once told me that my father was dead. What is it I'm hearing now? What he's saying, is it the truth? Huh? Hey, Andy! Hey! Hey!
So Chiamaka that I made mad, tied her womb.
Agnes
is my own daughter. Hey! Get your zone out here.
Reap is what you sow.
Where's he going to? Where's he going to?
There is no peace in the world for the wicked. If onye metalo buru, what you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye nemeno opachalanya. If onye metalo buru, what you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Woman, what is it?
Help me,
please. My lord. So you know this place? Eh?
Oh no, please. You have to help me. I did not know that the young lady I made mad is my own daughter. Chiamaka is my daughter. Please, I want you to reverse it. I want you to destroy the charm.
Woman, the madness is irreversible. But there's only one way out.
Anything, please. Biko, anything.
The madness will be transferred back to the owner. And that is you.
Anything. I'm ready. Please.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
You heard what she said. She said she's ready. Just do anything you can to make my wife fine, please.
If you're going to I'm more than we can learn, and we want to want to see my young and even a book and a got to Narian. Or when I had to have him of Papa Daddy. Is it more than I get one and I'm going to put it out in a man to go. I do go to the agony. More. Lulu not the matter one another will be bad. Hello, Luna, hello, hello, we know move. Oh, maybe a way. Over there. How about you? Again, I will believe.
Jesus! What happened? What's going on? Hey, Efoma!
Now she's not. I transferred the madness back to her.
So, what about my wife?
Young man, wherever your wife is now, she's okay. So, go home. She'll be back in the next few minutes.
Oh, are you trying to say that wherever my wife is right now, she's fine?
Perfectly okay, she's fine.
Back to her senses?
Yes.
Okay. So you mean Morata is fine?
Yes. Perfectly okay.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
My sister ever forgive me?
Mama, can you imagine? Mama, look at the kind of friends you keep. Eh? Look at what she did to this family. She tied my wife's womb not to conceive after so many years. As if that was not enough for her, she went further and made her mad.
My son, please forgive me. Forgive me. How was I to know that Agnes is this bad? Yay!
She made her mad.
I'm so sorry for everything I've done wrong to you. I'm sorry, Obianoju.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world.
mother is back. Mommy! What is going on here? Mommy! What is going on here?
God, thank you, Jesus. Now she's alive.
What happened to
It's
me?
okay.
Chiamaka, you alright? Yes, I'm alright. What happened to me?
Chiamaka, my sister, please forgive me. Chiamaka, one name. I know I have really wronged you. But please find a place in your heart and forgive me. I'm sorry.
Why? What did she just call me?
Chiamaka, she's your sister.
How? What happened? Why? What are you talking about? What is going on here? Eh? What is going on? I thought she's your wife. Is she no longer your wife?
She's your vice, your younger sister. Her mother is your mother and I'm your father.
Mba. Okay, please come on. Can you move on? How?
My daughter will explain later.
Forgive me, I've wronged you.
Don't worry, my dear. I'll give you the details.
Sorry.
Regina, come, please, come. I don't understand what is going on here. My mother was responsible for tying my womb all these years. She even made me mad. What a cruel world that a mother would do this to her own daughter.
My daughter, stop crying. Keep away your tears. What is important now that you have met your sister and you have known each other?
Where are you going? Why are you carrying those bags?
I'm leaving. I don't belong here.
Chisoba, please don't go. Please.
I have to go and make my own family. Why I allow you to enjoy yours? Please.
Yes, she doesn't belong here. She has to live with me for the city.
Pascal, I know I've wronged you. But please, find a place in your heart and forgive me.
Alright, I've forgiven you. I wish you good luck.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no machalanya. Ewo ifonye metalo buru. What you reap is what you sow.
I said don't come near me.
There's no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no machalanya. Ifonye metalo buru. Oge buru nisia. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no machalanya. Before job, Oderom machacha, Papua Kalarurana, Nura de Roya. Everything you do surely comes back to you. Ifonye metalo buru, oh yeah, buru yeah. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no machalanya.
baby boy.
This morning. Hey, hey! Yes, we are fine. Yes, everybody is fine. How is the baby doing? Yes. Hey. So Badra, I'll call you back later. Let me leave you to sleep. Oh. Hey! Greet your husband for me. Oh, because hey, bye-bye. Chizoba.
Who was that? What happened?
Chizoba, my sister, your auntie, just delivered a baby boy this morning.
Hey! Hey! I am more than happy. How are they doing?
They are doing fine.
Hey, Pastor, come. Hey!
Okay, how are you?
What is she doing here?
It's your mother. She has come to apologize to you for all she's done to you and everybody.
I thought...
Yes, of course. You know, much later she ran into one Pastor Timothy that prayed for her. And she's fine now. She has just come to make up for all her wrongs. She's come to apologize to you. Iko.
Chizoba just called now. She said she just delivered a baby boy.
Hey! Oh, wow. Chizoba! That's Chizoba! So how are they? Okay.
All the children inside.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. What you reap is what you sow.